Welcome back to another video, guys. I need your help on something. I am contemplating making a pretty large change to the channel, and I want your help. So I'm going to say there's a chance that I could bring a car to the channel to add to what's going on now. Now, I don't want to say I'm not changing any of the automotive news. If that's what you came for, I'm not going to change that. I'm still going to do automotive news, but there's a chance that I could possibly be getting a Shelby GT500. Not a brand new one. Obviously, I can't, find or afford a brand new 2020 GT500, but anything between 07 and probably 2012. This has been like my dream car since I was a teenager. I've always had a fascination with Carroll Shelby. I love the cars, and I just always really wanted one, and I've been presented with the opportunity to get one. Now, this may not come for another couple months, but I want to know how it would be received. Now, obviously, like I said, in addition to the news content and things like that I have on the channel now, there'd be more like vlog style stuff with the GT500. There'll be a ton of GT500 content I could do, mods, POV drives, reviews of stuff I find with the car, like, dislike, things like that. So I want to know what you think about this possibility change. Should I just leave the channel alone, or maybe I should start a different channel strictly for that kind of stuff, or should I just mix it all in here? I feel like there's a point where I want to do more. I want to keep things interesting for you, but at the same time, I don't want to do something you didn't come here for to begin with. So that's where I need your help. So before I go any farther, smash the like button if you want to see the GT500. If you think it's a good idea, smash the like button now. I want to see how many likes we get for the GT500. If I don't get any, then that kind of tells me something. If you do like the idea, though, drop down in the comments what you want to see done with the GT500. Do you like the POV drives, reviews, mods, things like that? I want to know what kind of stuff you like. I mean, I know tons of crap that I like. I mean, I just want to drive it. I want to, see what it's like to actually drive the car I've been dreaming about for so many years. So this is something I've really been contemplating. What I could possibly bring to the channel, and again, just bringing different content to you, keeping it mixed up, keeping it interesting. I know that the news is always interesting. I mean, new car stuff comes out, you want to know about the new Bronco, things like that, but especially like right now, there's no news going on because of this whole epidemic thing that's happening. So the news part's kind of slowing down, and this would probably be a good time where I would fill in with the GT500 and the car stuff. So I don't know, this is kind of what I'm contemplating. I really would like some input on your side. Is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? Should I just do a different channel for that kind of stuff and stick with the news here, or just mix it all in? Because there's a lot I really want to do, but I don't want to take away from the stuff you came to the channel for, so that's where I'm at. So drop your comments and your likes. Help me make the right decision here. I'm so on the fence. I want this car so bad. But there's always a yin and a yang, a good and a bad. So anyway, leave your likes, your comments, everything else. Catch you on the next upload.